how to change font color on GoDaddy website builder. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to change the font color into your website that you have created with the help of GoDaddy platform website builder. So it is very easy and very simple. All you need to do is to follow up the tutorial from the beginning to the end and you are going to be good to go. The first thing first is going to head over the GoDaddy platform, sign in for an account within this platform, and here we are going to choose from the websites and hosting website builder. Once you have chosen that, you're going to select your account and click on my products. And after that, you're going to see here the dashboard of your account. So you're going to get the first thing, the websites that you have created. So simply right there, I'm going to select any of these websites. And then we're going to get the control panel of that website itself. So from here, we're going simply to edit the website by focusing on the right side of the screen. We have the website. Click on edit website. And here we have the GoDaddy website builder. Now, as you can see here, we have the fonts and also the texts. Each one of the texts has a blue on the title, which is going to be here the primary text, or the primary font is going to be here bluish or blue. And the secondary font is going to be black. How we can modify that, we're going to head over the section or there at the right side of the screen. At the top, we have three choices: website, theme, and settings. We're going to select theme since we have the hue colors showing up right there. Now, as you can see, we have the fonts. We're going to click on fonts, and from here, you're going to see the type of the fonts. If you're going to set up here the type of the fonts, set it up. And for these colors, you can go ahead and customize the colors of your website. So we have a lot of colors that we can go ahead and customize, and these are going to affect the typography or the font right there. So for example, I'm going to make the color pink. So here we have the colors of the website fonts, or the primary fonts are going to be here pink. So now this was for the primary titles. So now I'm going to head over here and make it a little bit bluish how it was. I think like that. So now let's go ahead to the website. And from here, we're going simply to select the text it right there. So you can go ahead also and have the color of it. So you can go ahead and set the color to whatever you like. For example, this dark green. Or you can go ahead and click on this button and set it with this blue again. Now, this was for the primary title. And now for the secondary titles or the text, you can go ahead and select the text section, for example, this one, and click on the hue rainbow right there. So you are going to change the color of it to something else, like that, or like this, also like that. For the text or the last part of the text, you can go ahead and do the same thing. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and hope to see you soon on the next one.